I'm Bob Hoban from Hoban and Fiola, and I wanted to talk to you about conflicts of interest. The cannabis industry is no different than any other industry in that conflicts of interest exist on nearly every twist and turn. Fundamentally, it's a very small industry. It's a small industry in terms of the players in the industry, the operators, and the professionals in that industry. Because of that, you're going to find yourself in a situation where you're on multiple sides of deals on a regular basis. You're going to have other professionals on multiple sides of deals on a regular basis. That's perceived both ethically, professionally, and fundamentally as a conflict of interest. And those are things that need to be disclosed and considered before you move forward in the cannabis space. Ultimately, if you're involved in a deal and you are a specialist that brings people in that industry together for a particular deal, you need to worry about whether or not you are working on both sides. You need to disclose those things. Frankly, if you're a professional bound by ethical standards, you need to look forward and anticipate and disclose those things both in writing and in a personal level so that people understand that you're not simply bailing on them because of the nature of a particular deal. These are some real problems that come up on a regular basis. But most importantly, if you're representing multiple people in the same industry, you must be very cognizant of the fact that they have competitive advantages between one another. Client A is going to go forward with a particular plan that they may have discussed with you. If they see Client B doing that same thing, then fundamentally it could be perceived that there is a conflict of interest. You need to be mindful of that potential conflict so that you can disclose in advance and anticipate with your clients that these things are not going to be divulged to third parties and that you're going to protect their information. So conflicts of interest are not unique to other industries. It's extremely prevalent, perhaps even more prevalent in the marijuana industry, and it's certainly something to be mindful of. I'm Bob Hoban from Hoban and Fiola, and I want to tell you about an event that's happening in Denver on September 16th at the University of Denver. Cannabis Professionals Advancement Series, also known as CPAS, is holding a full-day professional education seminar geared towards the cannabis industry. The topics will go into nuanced areas of the law and operations regarding the industrial hemp and the marijuana industry, and will be led by attorneys from all over the country who specialize in this area and practice cannabis law every single day. For more information, take a look at cannaproseries.com. We hope to see you there.